How to fix update KB5068865 failed to install in Windows 11 23H2. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix any installation problems with November 2025 security update for Windows 11 23H2. First of all, try to manually install the update from Microsoft Update Catalog. For this, go to the video description and click on the link to Microsoft Update Catalog. After clicking the link, you will reach this page. Here you find two files, one for ARM64 based systems and other for x64 based systems. Check the system type of your computer. Click on Start, select Settings, go to System, scroll down, click on About. Here is system type, x64-bit operating system, x64 based processor. This file is compatible with my system. Check yours and click on the respective download button. On this page, click this link. Let the download complete. Once finished, click on the folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file. Select Open. Follow the on-screen instructions and install the update. The next thing you can try is fix the installation using Windows Update. For this, click on Start, select Settings, click on System, scroll down and click on Recovery. Here you will find Fix Problems using Windows Update. Click on the Reinstall Now button. Over here, click on OK. After clicking on OK, the system will start checking for updates. Windows 11 version 25H2 repair version will be downloading. Once it is completed, restart your computer and check for updates. If the issue still persists, run Windows Update Troubleshooter. For this, go to the video description and copy this command from there. Right click on Start, select Run. Here in this box, paste the command you have copied and click on OK. This is the legacy version of Windows Update Troubleshooter. This is much more effective than the Get Help app, which currently Windows 11 provides. On this troubleshooter, click on Advanced, click on Next. The tool will start detecting problems. After complete running the troubleshooter, follow the instruction given by this tool, close the troubleshooter, then check for updates again. If the issue still occurs, then reset Windows Update components. For this, click on Search, type CMD, right click on CMD and select Run as Administrator. Again go to the video description. You will find these commands there. Copy the first line of command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Copy the second line of command, paste into the command prompt and press enter. In the same way, run all these commands. After running the commands, close the command prompt and then restart your computer. Then try to install the security update for November 2025. Here click on check for updates. You will see here check for updates button. The next thing you can try is modify services. For this, click on search, type services, click on services, look for app readiness in the list, right click on this service, select properties, change the startup type to automatic. If it is not automatic, Click on apply, and if the service is stopped, click on start. Click on OK. Right click on app readiness, select restart. In the same manner, look for background intelligent transfer service. Right click on this service, select properties, change the startup type to automatic. Click on apply. If the service status is showing stopped, click on start. Click on OK. Do the same with cryptographic services. This one, right click on this service, select properties, change the startup type to automatic, click on apply. If the start button is highlighted here, click on it, click on OK. Right click on this service and select restart. In the end, go to Windows Update, right click on this service, select properties, change the startup type to automatic, click on apply, click on OK. Right click on this service and select restart. Close the services window and check for updates. You will see check for updates button here. If the issue still occurs, then run SFC and DISM tools. Click on search, type CMD, click on run as administrator, go to the video description. You will find the commands here. This is system files checker command. Copy this command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Let the process complete. Once 100% completed, copy the DISM RestoreHealth command, paste into the command prompt and press enter. After running both the commands, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Then try to install the security update. If any of the method doesn't work, then you will need to perform in place upgrade. For this, launch a browser, type Windows 11 download, press enter, click on download Windows 11. Scroll down to the download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices section. Click on select download and select this option. Click on confirm. For product language, check the language of your system. Click on start, settings, time and language, language and region. Windows display language is English United States. Check the language on your system and select here. Click on choose one and select English United States or which one is on your system. Click on confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Let the download complete. Once completed, click on the folder icon. Right click on the ISO file. Select mount. On the open file security warning pop-up, click on open. Right click on setup.exe and select open. Uncheck this box. Checking this box will take much more time, so uncheck it and click on next. For applicable notices and license terms, click on accept. Finally, click on install. Your computer will restart several times to complete the installation. The security update will be installed along with the installation. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching the video.